And a lot of times I get, oh, well, those expenses are handled outside of payroll. Well, you don't have to. And I'm here to say you don't have to manage expenses outside of payroll. You can absolutely set some of this up to track and post to your accounting software inside of the payroll system using expense management. So as an employee, I can see any kind of mileage that I have pending right here, or meals or whatever I'm eligible to expense. You provide those parameters in the system, and then the employees will be able to elect into it. I can upload a copy of my receipt. So if I get gas, I can just take a picture of it on my phone. It's going to read it all and submit it for me, basically. So what's really cool is it takes all of that, and then in the back end, we say, here's the general ledger code that needs to post to. So if you're doing expenses outside of payroll, you don't have to. If you want to pay this once a month, if you want to pay it every payroll, you absolutely can manage that too. But this is how easy it is for the employees. Love this. We used to do expenses through QuickBooks. I'd have to fill out this piece of paper, attach all our receipts. And then when we moved to ISOLT, it was like, holy smokes, this is so much better. And there's a lot of visibility in that too. For talent management, here I'll be able to see my performance reviews if I wanted to go through that process.